Hello students, myself Seema Ramesh Patil, working as assistant teacher in ND and MY Sarvajanik High School, Nawapur. Dear students, today we are going to learn about metals. I think you well know about some common metals like gold, silver, iron, copper, aluminium, calcium and mercury. You observe this slide in which some metal utensils are mentioned. Some metallic coins, iron nails, garden equipment and metallic frying pan. Today we learn about physical properties of metals. Some important properties are mentioned here: malleability, ductility, hardness, metallic luster, thermal conductors, electrical conductors and sonority. So, one by one we discuss about these properties. First of all, we discuss about malleability. Metals can be beaten into thin sheets by hammering. Dear students, I think you observe blacksmith and goldsmith. Blacksmith by hammering iron convert into the sheet, and goldsmith converted gold and silver into the thin and fine foil. So, gold foil, silver foil, iron sheet, aluminum sheet is formed only due to malleability property of the metal. Gold is most malleable metal, therefore it converted into very fine sheet. 1 gram of gold can be beaten into sheets with an area of about 6.7 square feet. Now, the next property of metal is ductility. Metals can be drawn into thin and fine wire. For example, silver wire. Similarly, the filament of electric bulb made of fine tungsten wire. Platinum is most ductile metal and it is also precious metal. Gold, silver and platinum are used for the preparation of ornaments. So, copper, aluminium, gold, silver, platinum, these are all used to prepare a thin wire. 1 gram of gold can be drawn into a wire of about 2 km in length. Next property of metal is hardness. Generally, metals are hard in nature. They are not easily cut by knife. But some metals are exceptional. They are soft in nature and easily cut with knife, like sodium, lithium, gallium, cesium and potassium. Metallic luster is also one of the property of metal. Take copper vessels at your home. Scrub them with lemon and rinse with water. What you observe before and after cleaning? After cleaning, light get reflected from the surface of the utensil and freshly cut surface of metal, and the metal looks lustrous. It becomes shine. Now, next property is thermal conductivity. The ability to conduct heat is an important property of metals. Silver is the best thermal conductor among metals. Aluminium, copper also possess comparatively high thermal conductivity, and due to the high thermal conductivity, nowadays copper is used at the base of the utensils, those we are using in the kitchen. Now next property is electrical conductivity. The ability of metal to let electricity pass through it. Students, you know that copper and aluminum are used to make electrical wires because they are good conductor of electricity. But some metals like lead are exceptional, which is neither a good conductor of heat and nor a good conductor of electricity. Now, the next property is sonority, the ability of metals to produce sound when tapped with a hard material. For example, your school bell, and also in temple bell made up of metals, and they produce sound on striking. It is only because metals are sonorous in nature. Therefore, dear students, metals can be used for making electric wires, aluminium foil to wrap food materials, utensils, farming tools, bells used in places of worship. So, today we discussed all the physical properties of metals. Now, in next video, I will explain you physical properties of non-metals, and equally we just go through the noble metals. So, goodbye and thank you.